Exporting invoices from QuickBooks Online can be done through the Reports section. The Invoice List report allows you to export all invoices in a spreadsheet format for use in programs like Excel. This tutorial outlines the steps. Steps to export invoices. Step 1. Access the Invoice List report. Sign into your QuickBooks Online account. On the main dashboard, click Reports from the left navigation menu. In the search bar near the top, type Invoice List and select it from the results. Step 2. Set the date range. Choose the date range you want to include. Click the Report Period drop-down menu and select a preset range, such as this month or all dates. Or create a custom range by entering your own start and end dates. Step 3. Run the report. Click Run Report. QuickBooks will generate the invoice list using the dates you selected. Step 4. Export the report. In the top right corner of the report, click the export icon arrow pointing into a box. Choose either Export to Excel or Export as CSV. QuickBooks will prepare the file and download it to your computer. Limitation. This method exports invoice data as a spreadsheet, not individual PDF invoices. If you need PDF copies of invoices, use the Sales section to batch, print, or save each invoice individually. This export method is best suited for users who need to analyze invoice data in a spreadsheet or keep a backup of transaction records.